In the first lecture of probability theory, we discuss first what is the historical background of the modern theory of probability. Its origins lie in the mathematics of game of chance, error theory, and theory of stochastic processes. We then gave the classical definition of probability as the ratio between the number of success outcomes divided by the number of possible outcomes of a random experiment. We then look at some basic examples dealing with the random experiments of tossing a coin or rolling a die. All the experiments considered here implicitly assume that the coin or die used were fair. We finally made the remark that the probability defined in such a way is always a non-negative number, and its computation requires only the ability of counting things.